Wow. Hi, how are you? Welcome back. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Leslie. I react to stuff, mostly metal, not always. All right, I'm about like a week late, but I'm here for this. I'm very excited. Sleep Token has released something new. I am so excited. I cannot wait to hear this. So let's not wait. Let's get into it. So without further ado.
Well, you were late in bus, living on a promised word. Well, I am the rose you relinquished again. You and I are down head first in another world I had. But I have a feeling we're close to the end. So come on, come on, out from underneath who you were.
So pretty.
Come on now. You know that it's time to arms around me, arms around me. Go ahead and wrap your arms around me, arms around me, arms around me. Go ahead and wrap your arms around me, arms around me, arms around me. Go ahead and wrap your arms around me, arms around me, arms around me. Are you caught in my nano, red glass on my light bulb, dark light on my coat, just sapphire in my white gold, burst out of my chest.
What? What? Okay. That that was the beginning of that is so beautiful. Then the way it transitions into the more. I love this. This is amazing. Okay, hold on.
No red glass on my light bulb, dark light on my coat, just sapphire in my white gold, burst out of my chest and hide out in the vents. My blood beats so alive, my bite right through your lens. It's midnight in my mind's eye, drowning out the daylight. Godspeed to my enemies, will be asking for that call sign. You know the behavior, canines of the savior. Glory to the legion, trauma for the neighbors. Arms around me, arms around me, arms around me. Go ahead and wrap your arms around me, arms around me, arms around me. Go ahead and wrap your arms around me, arms around me, arms around me. Go ahead and wrap your arms around me, arms around me, arms around me. I've got solar flesh for your dead god, space dust for your fuel rods, dark days for your solstice, dancing through the depths of hellfire on the winds that started from within. My blood beats so alive, my tear right through my skin. So tell me what you meant by living past your half-life, and lockstep with the universe and your well-varsity afterlife. You know that I'm sanctified by what's below, no matter what you do, no matter where you go. You might be the one to take away the pain and let my mind go quiet. And nothing else is quite the same as how I feel
Wow. That is hauntingly beautiful. Ooh. What 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 was that at the end? Was it like a hint, something coming? I'm a little speechless. Um, Here's a little sleep token. Because of their anonymity, there was like no ego in the production. And what I mean by that is, even their videos, right? It's just a single thing, flag burning, coat of arms burning, something burning. A little bit of animation in the background, which, by the way, I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of zoning out on the flowers, moving in and out, and I was sitting there thinking to myself, "Wow, this would be crazy on a mushroom." But anyways, the fact that there's no ego in their music because of their anonymity, they're not making the biggest, most elaborate video productions. Um, they're not out there doing a bunch of promotion for their stuff. They're growing a merit, which is rare nowadays. And that's not to say that bands that have success don't deserve it. Don't get me wrong. I'm just saying that their talent, their musical abilities, their artistic vision speaks for itself. And that is why they are growing at the rate that they are, in my opinion. And it's very well deserved, by the way. I'm not going to lie. So that was. I'm so excited for what else comes out with this album. Oh my God. I can't wait. 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 Oh my goodness. Oh, and I heard they're starting to tour in North America. Come to Canada. Sleep token. Come to Canada. Canada. You are very much loved in Canada. Don't just go to Vancouver or Montreal, Toronto. There's other provinces and other cities that love you. Yeah. So come to Canada. Please, please, please. In the meantime, if you like Sleep Token, go over to their channel, show them some love, as well as get their music or re-download their music. And if you get to see the opportunity, go see them live, support live music, support live bands. In the meantime, if you like what I do, give this a big old thumbs up because I heard it helps, as well as let me know in the comment section down below what you thought of this. That was me. I'm gonna have to listen again with the lyrics because I'm not gonna lie, there was a couple moments where I was so engrossed in just the music and his voice and the flowers that I kind of zoned out a little bit with the lyrics. That's not Steve Token's fault. That's my fault. Because I was just caught up in a moment. So I'm gonna have to go back and listen to it more carefully with lyrics. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below what you thought about it, and if you're excited as much as I am for the new album coming out. As well as consider subscribing to see more content like this. In the meantime, stay kind, love one another, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.